In today's video, I will show you how to disable the built-in keyboard on a Lenovo laptop and use an external keyboard instead. If your laptop keyboard is typing automatically, some keys are not working, or the keyboard is causing problems, disabling the internal keyboard can help. First, open this PC and right-click on it. Then click Properties.
Okay, now scroll down and select Device Manager.
In Device Manager, find the Keyboard section and click the arrow next to it to expand the list. Now locate Standard PS2 Keyboard, which is usually your laptop's built-in keyboard. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. After that, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Uncheck the Show Compatible Hardware option. You will now see a list of drivers. Select a different driver from the list and click Next. A warning message will appear on the screen. Click Yes to continue. Wait for the driver installation to complete, then close the window. Now restart your Lenovo laptop. After the restart, the built-in keyboard will be disabled, and you can use an external USB keyboard without any issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.